நம்ம வயலின்ல வாசிக்கிற ஸ்வரஸ்தானம் ரீ1, ரீ2, கா1, கா2, மா1, மா2, தா1, தா2, நீ1, நீ2, சாப்பா. ஸோ டோட்டலி 12 ஸ்வரஸ்தானாஸ் இருக்கு. அதெல்லாம் சரியாக வாசிக்கிறோமா அப்படின்ற டவுட் எல்லா லேர்னருக்கும் வரும். அதை என்ஷூர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சிம்பிள் ட்ரிக் அண்ட் டிப்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு நான் இந்த வீடியோவில் ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன். ஃபாலோ மீ. வயலின் வந்து சி ஷார்ப் 1.5 கட்டைக்கு டியூனாக இருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம எல்லாரும் சரளி வரிசை வாசிப்போம். ஸோ வி ஆல் நோ the basic lessons in Carnatic music. Remember these 12 swarasthanas for an octave is common for any music in the world, Western, Eastern, Carnatic, Hindustani, whatever it may be. So at some point we have to ensure we are playing the right Re1, the correct Ga1, correct Ma2. So this video will give you some insights into this. So if you play the Sarali Varisais in Maya Malava Gaulai, you are quite sure of the 7 Swarasthanas. That is the first Re, Sutta Rishavam. Antaragantaram or second Ga. Ma, first Ma, Suddha Madhyavam. Pa, Da, first Da, Sutta Daivadam. Ni, Kakali Nishadam. So almost we are quite sure about all the Swarasthanas used in Maya Malava Gaulai. ஏன்னா மாயாமாளவ கவுளையிலேயே நம்ம எல்லா சரளி வரிசையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால இந்த 7 ஸ்வரஸ்தானமும் உங்கள் மைண்டில் நல்ல ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ அவுட் ஆஃப் 12 notes we are much familiar with the 7 notes. What about the remaining 5 notes? So read to how to identify, da to how to identify. You know Mohana Varnam. So almost every beginner within 1 year they will touch this Mohana Varnam. Ga ga ri sa sa ri ri. So ri sa, that is first Re. That is secondary. This guy is Antaragandhanam. Already we know this. Pada, pada sa ri ga pada sa sa da pa ga ri. So read to da to with the help of Moganam we are well aware of those 2 Swarasthanas. So already 7 Swarasthanas pertaining to Maya Malava Gaulai. இப்ப 2 Swarasthanam from this Mogana Ragam, that is read to da to. Totally now we are very confident about 9 Swarasthanas. Okay. So the next part is if you take Ragam Shivaranjani. ஸோ சிவரஞ்சனி இப்போ நிறைய பேருக்கு அது ஃபெமிலியராக கூட இருக்காது. ஆனால் this is a very famous ஒரு சின்ன துக்கடா உருப்படி. சாரி ரி க கே ரி க கே ரி க கே ரி ரி சரி சத சரி கே ரி ரி க கே ரி க கே ரி க கே ரி ரி சரி சத. See here you get the first ga, that is Sadharana Gantaram. So ta na 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 na. So instead of first ga, if you place your finger in the second ga, you can very easily recognize it. You won't get that song, okay? So if you place your finger at the first ga, that position only, you will get this song. So now ga one you know, okay? Re re sa da. So in Sivaranjani, the difference between Sivaranjani and Mohanam is only ga. In Mohanam we have ga 2, Antara Gantaram. In Sivaranjani we have ga 1, that is Sadharana Gantaram. Okay. Already from Mayamala Gaulai we know 7 Swarasthanas. By using Mohanam we come across Re 2 and Da 2. So 7 plus 2, 9. In Sivaranjani you have a new Swarasthana, what is called ga 1, that is Sadharana Gantaram. Totally 7 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10 Swarasthanas. Now you are very familiar. Now coming to this knee 1, that is you know Harivarasana. Sa 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 ri ri ma ri sa sa. This is the ragam Madhyamavadi. Sa sa ri ma pa ni. This is knee 1, sa. So in Harivarasanam, if you play ni sa ri sa ni pa, this knee is first knee. This is second knee. Ri ri sa 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 sa. Ri ma 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 ri sa ri ma 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 ma. Then the next prayoga, ma pa ni pa ma ri ma. Ri sa 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 sa. Ma pa ni pa ma ri ma. This is the first knee. So instead of knee 1, if you play knee 2, this portion will not come exactly. Ma pa ni, first knee. This is second knee. So now you know where knee 1 is. Okay. Now how many Swarasthanas we have? Already 7 in Mayamalu Gaulai, 2 from Mohanam, 1 from Sivaranjani. In Madhyamavadi we come across knee 1, that is Kaisigi Nishadam. 11 Swarasthanas are there. Now what else is there? Pradimadhyamam is there. Ma 2. For Ma 2 you can take Kalyani. Okay. In Kalyani we have the very famous Geetam, Kamala Jatala. Sa 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 ni da ni sa. Ni da pa ta pa mo pa. Ma. This is first ma. Ma ma. Sa 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 ni da pa da pa ma pa. Ma. So now you come across Ma 2, Pradimadhyamam. So by using this simple trick, you can ensure the Swarasthana what you are playing is correct or not. Similarly, apart from taking some references from Carnatic Swarasthanas, you can also take some film songs also. So, for instance, Sagari Magaga, this re secondary, Chinna Chinna Asai. So this re is secondary. Like this, you can go for referring some very famous film songs also to ensure the Swarasthanas. Hope this video will be of immense help to learners. Thank you.